today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Elementor. If you've been looking to spruce up your website with authentic customer feedback, you're in the right place. Google reviews can be a game changer when it comes to building trust with potential customers, and today, we'll seamlessly integrate them into your Elementor site. So, let's dive in and get those reviews up and running. First, you'll want to make sure you have Elementor installed on your WordPress site, which I'm assuming you do since you're watching this tutorial. If not, don't worry, there are plenty of resources to help you get Elementor set up. Now, to get Google reviews on your site, we'll need a tool to connect them. One popular option is to use a plugin. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard and head to the Plugins section. Once you're there, click on Add New. In the search bar, type in a plugin name like WP Google My Business Plugin or any similar plugin specifically dealing with Google reviews. After you've found a plugin you like, click Install Now. Once it's installed, hit Activate. With our plugin activated, it's time to start the configuration process. Now, what we need here is to connect this plugin to your Google account. This usually involves inserting an API key. To get this, you need to visit the Google Cloud Platform. Sign in, and you'll want to create a project if you haven't already. Then, navigate to the API Services section and select Credentials. Here, you'll generate a new API key, which you can then copy. Be careful with your API key, treat it like a password and store it safely. Once you've got your API key, head back over to your WordPress dashboard, find the settings for your plugin, and paste the API key into the relevant field. Save your changes before moving on. The plugin will often prompt you to complete further setup steps, like selecting the Google account from which you want to pull reviews. Follow those instructions carefully. With your plugin set up and linked, it's time to head over to Elementor. Open up the page where you want to display your Google reviews. Click on the Elementor's editing panel, and you should now see a widget or option added by your new plugin specifically for Google reviews. Drag and drop this widget onto your page where you want your reviews to appear. In the widget settings, you'll be able to customize how your reviews are shown. You'll find options for layout, number of reviews to display, and even how much detail each review should show. Adjust these settings according to your aesthetic and functional needs. Once you're satisfied with how it looks in the preview, simply hit Update to save your changes. Finally, don't forget to check it on your live site to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Keeping your reviews refreshed by maintaining a link with your Google My Business account can provide constant social proof for your website. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google reviews into your Elementor site. Congratulations on giving your visitors a chance to see real testimonials directly on your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.